High-tech pig farming village technology by Bamboo video will teach you everything you need to know about high-tech pig farming village technology. With this system, you'll save money on your pig farm and have a stable, sustainable farm that supports the environment. If you're looking for a low-cost best pig farmhouse in Hilltrip, this video is for you. In it, you'll learn about the amazing high-tech pig farming village technology by Bamboo and how it can benefit your farm. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own high-tech pig farming village system. Bamboo is a fast-growing wood that can be used to build a variety of structures, including high-tech pig farms. In this video, we'll tour a high-tech pig farming village built with bamboo. This village is built with bamboo, a fast-growing wood that can be used to build a variety of structures, including high-tech pig farms. We'll tour this pig farming village and learn about the amazing high-tech pig farming village technology by Bamboo. This village is a great option for anyone looking for a low-cost best pig farmhouse in Hilltrip.